Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. So in this video, we are going to learn about how we can assign the Agentforce Employee Agent to the users or group of users in Salesforce. So in previous videos, I have explained how we can create different Agentforce Employee Agents and assign to the Salesforce profiles. In that video, we have created the order agent and then library agent. After that, we have assigned those agents to the sales profile and after that system administrator profile. So here the problem is whenever we assign any agent to the particular profile, then the all users who has assigned that particular profile, all those users can access that particular agent. Now here in this video, we are going to understand how we can assign the Agentforce employee agent to the particular user or the group of user from the different profiles. So first let me show you what we have did in the previous sessions so that you will get more understand why we need to create or why we need to assign the Agentforce employee agent to the user or group of user. The video link I have provided in the description box, you can go through it. So in that videos I have detailed explained, but now for quickly recap I will show you again.
Let me navigate to the setup. Now in the quick find, here I am searching for profiles. As I open the profiles, so now as I open the sales profile, so here you can see the sales profile that I have created. Now let me open this profile. Under this profile I have assigned one user. Let me show you that user. So here we have the web join user. Now as I log in with this user, so let me log in with the incognito window. Now here you can see we have logged in as John Wade. As I click on this Agentforce icon, let me click here, and now here you can see, here we can select the order agent. Then the next profile we have, which is Salesforce administrator. Let me open that profile as well. So again, here I am searching for the system administrator profile. Here you can see, here we have that profile. As I open this profile, and then as we navigate to the users, so in this system administrator profile, here we have two users. So for this user I have currently logged in. Let me click on this Agentforce, and for the system administrator profile, as I click on this drop down, here I can see the library agent. Also again, as I log in with different user from the system administrator profile, let me open this one. And here you can see, now here we are logged in with different user. Again, as we click on this Agentforce, and then as I click on this drop down, and here you can see this user can also access the library agent. Now what we need to do for this org from Epic user, we want to give the access of the order agent as well. But the thing is, we don't want to give that access to this user who is the logged in user. For this user, we don't want to give that access. Since whenever we give the agent access from the profile, then that access will be get assigned to all the users who has assigned that profile. But here we want to give that order agent access only this Epic org farm user.
So now because of this problem, we need to assign the Agentforce employee agent to the user or group of users. So in this video, I am going to explain you how we can create the permission set with the users or with the user that we need to assign the Agentforce employee agent, and then how we can assign that permission set to the agent that we created. So for that, watch this video till the end and don't miss any step. And if you are new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Now, before moving ahead, here is very big announcement for the Salesforce geekers. Recently, we have launched our Salesforce admin course. So here, as you visit to our SalesforceFAQs.com website, here you will see the courses. Here we have the Salesforce admin training course, then the Agentforce training course, and then we will also have the Join Pro bundle. As you navigate to the courses, so here you can see, here we have the year-end sales where you will get the Salesforce training course bundle with the 50% off. And also as you scroll down, here you will see the courses that we have created. In that we have the Salesforce admin training course, Agentforce training course, and then complete training course bundle in which you will have the Salesforce admin training course with the Agentforce course. So if you want to enroll for these courses, you can click on this enroll now button. And also if you want to know more about these courses, you can click read more button. There we have added the course content and then the feature of these courses. Now coming back to our topic, first we will create the permission set where we will grant the access for the Agentforce Employee Agent, and then we will assign that permission set to the user or group of users.
For that, what we need to do? So here in the quick find, here I am searching for permission set. As I open this permission set, here we need to create new permission set. For that, click on this new button. In the label, here I am providing order agent access. Then the API name will be automatically populated, and then you need to click on this save button. So here we have created this order agent access permission set. Now here you will find we have same options that we have earlier permission set, but here you can see this time Salesforce added this agent access option to this permission set. Now what we need to do? We need to click on this agent access, then click on this edit button. And now here you can see in the available agents, we have library agent and then order agent. So here why we are not getting the service agent that we have created? Because that service agent we deployed on the service side, and then for that service agent, the Salesforce provide new user which is Einstein service user. So here I am selecting this order agent and then click on this add button. Now we have enabled the order agent access. Now let me save this one. Now in this permission set, we have given the extra access which is order agent. Now here we need to assign this permission set to the users or group of users. So now how we can give the access to the users? For that, here you can see, here we have manage assignment option. As you click on it, now in the current assignments, we need to click on this add assignment. Now here you will see all the users that you have in the Salesforce org. If you want to search only active users, you need to click on this drop down, and from here you can select the active users or the admin users. Whatever the list you have, it will display over here. So here I only want the active users. Now here you will see all the active users. Now we want to assign this created permission set to the Epic org farm user. For that, let me search for that user. So here you can see, here we have that user org farm Epic. So here I am selecting this user. If you want to give permission to the multiple users, you can do that as well. So here I want to give this permission to this user. So here I have selected this user and then click on next. After selecting the users, you will see all the selected users over here. And then if you want to assign that permission set to all the selected users, what you need to do? You need to click on this assign button. So we have successfully assigned the permission set to this user. After that, click on this done. And now let's refresh this page. Now again, let's navigate where we have logged in with the Epic org farm user. Now here you can see, currently we can see only two agents, which is Agentforce default agent and then library agent. And now we have created the permission set in which we have granted the access of the order agent, and that permission set we have assigned to this org farm Epic user. Now as I refresh this page, and then let me close this one again. As I click on this drop down, this time here you can see this user can access the order agent as well. But as I navigate to the system administrator profile, and then here also as I refresh the page, but this user don't have access of that order agent. And also as I navigate to the order agent, so here in the quick find, let me search for Agentforce agents. Let me open this one. Here you can see, here we have the order agent. Open this one. And then as you navigate to this agent access, earlier here you can see we only have given this profile with agent access where we have assigned this order agent to the sales profile. But after giving the access of this agent from the permission set, here you can see Here we have got the automatically that permission set has been assigned. So in this way you can create the permission set. In that permission set you can enable the access for the agent for which you want to give the access to the user or the group of user from the different profiles. So I hope whatever I explained you understood that. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So whenever we post a new video, you will get an update. Thank you.